Alright, so my first ride back since the tornado and had my front end part, so it's actually been a while since I've ridden and already kind of got arm bump a little bit. The front end, the new 85 forks so far, it feels good. The front brake is really good. It feels pretty solid, pretty planted. Definitely down on my skill level, but really really smooth. I'm just gonna ram this log, see what it didn't even feel it. Usually the Ultra B, I think, would bang through my moose. You could almost hit the feel. I felt like it hit the rim when you hit that log right there on the trail. So definitely just rolls right over stuff much better as far as that goes. Like a small log on the trail, rocks, things like that. That feels better. I don't have it dialed as far as suspension settings. I just looked at the 85 stock suspension settings, and I did the middle standard setting, which is basically 12 clicks out for compression and rebound. What I'm feeling here, but it's so different than what I had. It's really hard to say what it's doing for sure. I'm thinking maybe it's still a little stiff, but also I'm not sure what the air level is in it too. So I couldn't find my pump after the tornado. I have a high pressure pump to check. I didn't want to check it without being able to add any in it, so I've got to get a high pressure pump or find mine in all my stuff. So let's see, let's just keep riding and see what happens. It's feeling pretty good. Was a little bouncy. Maybe might need to soften it up here. Same shirt. I was just coming up that rock wall, hitting those flat faces of the rocks. It seemed to kind of really bounce off of it versus soaking it. But the front end too is a little lighter, so that might be something to do with it. Ooh, hold on a second. Let me pull. I saw that.
Oh, you drop it?
Huh? No, I'm moving my brake lever in closer. One good thing about the ASV lever, it's super easy to adjust on the fly. That's my favorite thing about them. But it's just nasty. Ooh. Oh my goodness. So, let's see what I got now. I went down 2 clicks on the compression. Mainly that's because I feel like it's like it's kind of kicking around a bit too much. Get on the front end a little bit more, sitting back a little too far. Uphills, there we go, that's better. See, what is that? Kicks around too much, kind of bumpy. What is that? Too much rebound, maybe? That's what I'm having the issue with. Front end's lighter too, though, so like I said, maybe just getting more on the front end. Get up on the front end a little bit more than I did before, which I guess because it's lighter. That's good. Grabbing too much front brake. I guess maybe the front brakes work better than I think the front brakes work better than the ones I had on here. The Ultra B brakes were actually really good. So these are, front brakes are a little better. I think I'm just grabbing a little too much brake. That's what's making my front end kind of tuck a little bit. Front brake just better, works better. I need to still probably put my lever back just a little more. Feels a little short. I may also, does it feel short? Because I got a little room to push out the forks. I might push them out to the next line. I was just worried about my brake having enough to, ooh, got some new stuff through here. Worried about my brake line being long enough, but I think I could go out. Definitely go out to the next line on the forks at the top. See what that does for me. The forks feel pretty good. Pretty good. Still got some. Once I learn how to tune them properly, they'll be really nice.